Hello and welcome to my demonstration of starting and monitoring a service in PowerShell. This is a script that I created. It's pretty simple and easy to use, and it can help you out checking on certain services or just checking any service on your computer. And yeah, so let me get started here. This is the script here. The first thing I did when running PowerShell, I did run as administrator. Pretty important to do that. And then the first thing I did was get-service to see all my running services on my local computer. And I tested out the web client right here. As you can see, stopped. It tells you if it's stopped or running. And yeah, and I for the script, I created a variable money sign service equals get service dash name web client. So that's pretty important there. That starts it up. And then I did my if statement, linked it with my variable service dot status. That'll give me the status of it, if it's running or not. And I did NE, which means is not running basically. And yeah, and then I did right host the service, linked my variable again, money sign service dot name is not running, and then I added a foreground color red, so that'll write it out if it's not running, that part. The second if statement is used for when it is running. So I linked my variable again, dot status, and the EQ is different from the first one because that identifies that it is running the service. Then I did my right host again, the service, variable service again is running, foreground color green. So that'll notify a user if it's running or not. Pretty simple there. So let me test this out. The service web client is not running. Let me double check that. Web client not stopped. Okay. So that's right. And let me test out another service. I'll test out this running service, WPN service. All you do is put that here where web client was. Easy access. We'll save it. The service WPN service is running. Pretty simple there. And if you wanted to start or stop a specific service, all you got to do is type in this. Start service dash name, any service that's listed. So this WUAU SERV service is stopped. So let me check that. Let me actually run this. Okay. And then let me copy this. And then just put it here. And let's see if that started. Okay, it's starting. So it told me it's running. For stopping a service, all you gotta do is stop dash service, same thing on top, dash name, WUASERV, and then run that. Oh, I typed it in wrong. That's alright, that'll happen. Okay, that'll stop it. And let me run this again to check. The service is not running. So that's it. It's pretty simple. I appreciate everyone watching, and see ya.